Hey everyone, it's Maureen and welcome back. I have been gone for a month and I'm enjoying summer so far, so I hope you are too. Today I am coming back for another video. I came across this company called WsC London, and the name of the website is thewatchstrap.co. This company is United Kingdom based. They sell watch straps for the Apple Watch. I am just gonna focus on the genuine leather and the stainless steel because that's what we have on hand today. I am going to their website with you guys. The watch strap.co company, and there you go. So we're gonna jump onto the genuine leather here. Let's click it. I actually like the pink one here. So this is the Prowler in pink. Colors for your Apple Watch here. They have graphite, midnight, starlight, titanium, and this gold aluminum is series 1 and 2. There is a gold rose aluminum also in here, but we have the gold, so we're gonna click the edition 18K gold. And then next is the buckle. We're gonna change it into stainless steel 18K gold also. The buckle didn't really change here. As long as we have it here set up, we're good to go. And then next is the Apple Watch size. So since we got the 44 millimeters or the 45, let's do it for the 45 millimeters. I don't think I'm gonna go upgrade to diamond edition. Let's just add this on our cart. So as you can see, from 118.50, this is actually on sale for 88.50. Okay, so I just want to show you guys what my customization is and how much it is for the Prowler Pink. So let's get into the unboxing and show you guys the final product. It's actually orange, not yellow. And I got opened something here. Oh, looks heavy duty. I love the packaging. Let's try it. For those who demand more. Card. Got 2 straps here. No returns if opened. Hygiene sealed. I love that it's in a little plastic, so it keeps it really new. Look at that. Can't wait to try this. So I'm gonna move it a little bit here on the first pull. And let's try it. Oh my, the pink color is so beautiful. So stiff. Wow, how pretty. This is the final product of our customized genuine leather. This is the Prowler in pink for the stainless steel gold Apple Watch series 7. It looks kind of like a baby pink in real life. So what I love about this is the connector is 18 karat gold, you guys. Finally, I found, you know, the connector is gold. All the straps that I found a little bit lighter or rose gold color, but this one is actually gold. It's so luxurious. Look at the butterfly clasp made of crocodile embossed Italian leather. And this is lined with soft nubuck. It is perfectly stitched with the light pink and waxed Gutterman thread. Which is matched perfectly with the crocodile embossed Italian leather, which is pink. And the buckle clasp made of 18 karat gold. And with this butterfly clasp, it's so easy to put it on. And you can see that they have their branding engraved in here in this buckle. Loosen this up. There's the butterfly clasp. This strap actually can fit a small to large wrist. I have a very small wrist here. All I did is I adjusted the buckle on what size you are, but I am small, so I'm gonna put it right there so it's ready for me when I'm gonna use it. So I love this color so much. Glad I picked this color. I'm still a pink girl. Now, if you are looking for that perfect stainless steel band for your stainless steel gold Apple Watch, and you've never found it yet, here it is. On the WsC website, for our Apple Watch here, which is stainless steel gold, we got the Fury in gold. So let us click that. And we have the 45 millimeters. A gold stainless steel Apple Watch band would look really fancy and luxurious with a diamond, so I am going to add a diamond on our Apple Watch band here. So I'm gonna upgrade to diamond edition, and that would go to $171. This is a VVS plus Clarity Diamond. It will be added to our Apple Watch band stainless steel. It is complete with exclusive WsC Diamond Edition certificate and packaging, and all WsC's diamonds are ethically sourced and set in-house by their master jewelers. I'm super excited on this customization that we did on the website, so I can't wait to see what it looks like, the final product. So here's the unboxing. This next one, it is a diamond edition. Look at that, guys! Bling bling. There is this like acetate that's holding it together here. It's because I have really thin wrist. We gotta adjust this. And there is the diamond right here. I love gold. The inside of the bracelet or the band says that it is a stainless steel. Okay, I think it's this way. We need to take off maybe a ton of links here, so I'm going to try maybe 3. There's no instructions how to though. Maybe just go online. So I kind of loosen this a little bit. This one I think is the one that you can take off. Let me orient this here. This would be kind of tricky. Okay, I'm almost there. Oh,
see it in there. Loosen it and see if the link is right there. Yep, or I mean the pin. Let's just do probably 4. Let's put this pin back and pin in the hole. So I'm gonna do it on the other side here. It's so easy. And then just take off the pin. It's really gold. So if you don't like gold, this might not be for you. But if you really like gold, trust me, you'll like it. And put the pin back so it's protruding. I got like a hammer-like thing here. I'm gonna keep tapping it down. Now it's gone. Okay, finally done adjusting it. So I left 6 links, 7 actually. On the other side is 7 also, so. And I super love that detail.
Okay, so here is the Fury in gold. As you can see, this gold stainless steel Apple Watch is not really yellowish, but in different angles you can see the gold. It is made of 316L stainless steel. This kind of stainless steel has a strong corrosion resistance. Over time, the gold color will fade. Not unless you dip it in the water all the time. Yes, it will corrode. But if you just use this for date nights or for special occasions, I think this will last you for a long time. So that's actually a big check for me. The goldness of it actually exceeds the goldness of the Apple Watch. This is the special part. I added a VVS plus Clarity Diamond, WsC branding, and then VVS plus Clarity Diamond. VVS is very slightly included. It is a diamond, but I think the diamond is just less. And I love that touch on the Apple Watch band. It makes it so special, guys. If you want to treat yourself on your birthday, get some on the website from WsC. So I'm gonna try this here. Again, it's a butterfly clasp. It's so easy to put it on. I am so happy that I finally found the stainless steel gold, actually with diamond, for my Apple Watch band stainless steel gold. It's a perfect gold matching my Apple Watch. It's not actually that crazy expensive. Even more luxurious than the Apple Watch bands that we find at the Apple Store. Plus the packaging is really cool. So if you're not using your straps, you can just store it in here. I put my old stainless steel gold and silver here. The color of these one also is very attractive and very fancy. If you are interested in grabbing this straps right here or any straps from WsC London, I have a 10% code for you guys. It is big letters MAUREEN. Thank God that I finally found the stainless steel gold that I've been looking for. Matches my stainless steel gold Apple Watch. I'm done looking for it. I found it. I can sleep well now. And if you have any questions regarding these straps or any questions on their website, just message me on Instagram or comment down below. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!